Tracy, local hospitals are teaming up with an important message. They are pleading with the public to take mask wearing seriously. The National Mask Up campaign launched today. A number of local hospitals have joined 100 of America's top hospitals and health systems to get the word out. Joining us live is Amy Mansue, the president and CEO of Inspira Health. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much for the opportunity to be with you today.
The images in that public service announcement are so powerful. Why did you choose today as the launch day for this campaign?
Well, a couple of reasons. One, we are continuing to seeing both nationally as well as in New Jersey and Pennsylvania the severe spike and the community spread. The people just really are just tired, and so we really want to reinforce the message. We've got to wear your mask. You've got to wash your hands. You've got to be socially distanced. That works. There's so little that we can do to prevent this virus, but those three things are things that we absolutely know that are effective and work. And we're starting to see our staff be infected, not because of the work they're doing, but because of the spread within the community. And honestly, last time, our real challenge was making sure that we learned about the virus and had enough protection equipment for everybody. This time, I'm truly worried that our staff being ill is going to prevent us from doing what we need to do for our communities. And so we decided, we know that the holiday is a temptation, as you've already said on your broadcast today. We really need people to double down on their efforts, or we're not going to have enough staff to care for people in the way we need to and want to.
We have to protect those frontline workers. Now, we understand this is the first time America's health systems have teamed up for a public service campaign. There's really no better time for this partnership and camaraderie to happen than now in the midst of this pandemic that's only getting worse.
Yeah, you know, the tremendous coordination of effort, both in New Jersey and throughout the nation among our hospitals, where we're sharing best practices. Our southern New Jersey hospitals are talking on a regular basis to make sure that we all have what we need for our communities. And I speak today from Inspira Health, but really it's all of the South Jersey hospitals are aligned in making sure we move forward in this quickly. It is one thing we absolutely can do to protect our staff, and there's nothing more important to us than that. You know, many people have said to me consistently, what can we do? How can we help? The most important thing you can do is wear that mask, socially distance, and wash those hands. There's only a single bubble, and that's the people that you live within day in and day out, and entering anyone else into that bubble right now is putting people at risk.
The warnings are out there today from the CDC not to travel. The risks just too great not to adhere to the advice and heed those warnings. As grim as the numbers are now, they could be even worse 2 weeks from now if people let their guard down, right?
Well, here's what we know. As of Sunday in New Jersey, 9,000 people were tested positive in one day. The Department of Health has worked with the CDC, and we've identified what the trend is. And we know that while already we're feeling the pressure, it will get worse post-holidays if people do not do what they need to. And so, you know, we're trying to proactively get out and urge people, please, 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 make sure you wear this mask. Everybody in the nation should mask up. It is just too important not to. If not for you, think about your loved ones who may get sick. You may be young and vibrant and feel like it's not going to matter, but the truth of the matter is, because you'll live through it, but other people aren't going to be as lucky. And we need those people on the front line, and we need to be able to care for our patients.
The campaign is so powerful. We know those images will resonate, and only time will tell 2 weeks from now if people were heeding those warnings about travel. Amy Mansue from Inspira Health, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.